What's up guys, thank you for watching this video. So today I'm gonna give my best friend some food. It's dog food, chicken and beef stew. It's from Simply Norwich brand. Well, I guess he wants supposedly natural ingredients. So let's open this up guys. That's how it looks. Comes like a soupy way. Alright guys, give me a second please. Okay guys, so this is how it looks. It looks exactly like the one he had the first day I gave him this food. Brings chicken and beef and a little peas, carrots, so it brings vegetables, so that's good for him. And I like it because it looks like real food and he always likes it too. And that's the important thing. If he likes something and it looks healthy, it means it's good for him. So I'm just trying to find new food that he can enjoy and that's actually good for him because he's a little old now. But thank you for watching guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Comment below, let me know what you guys think. Thank you.